Okay, sisters, I am having my Seductive ArT workshop November 23rd from 7 to 9 p.m. at Hempsville Harlem. This is a brick and mortar store. It's a very intimate, cozy space. Um, my workshop is like no other. It is sexy fun, it's informative, and it's interactive. There will be wine will be served, sexy giveaways, sex toys available for purchase if you like sex toys, and also you can purchase from the store that sells Hempsville Harlem that sells CBD oils. You're going to learn about the store and what they have to offer. They have some exciting products. In my Seductive ArT workshop, I focus on 3 specialized areas, which is visual stimulation, how to visually stimulate your partner in and out of the bedroom, and also, which is all about fashion. When you look good, you feel good. Y'all know I'm into fashion. This is one of my pieces, Real Nice by Real. You'll be able to get that while you're there. And also we have Real Sex Talk. We're going to talk about a couple of subjects. And then after that, we're going to slide on our heels and I will be teaching ESS, which is an erotic, sensual, and seductive dance. I'm going to teach you how to walk in heels, and we're going to do a little 1, 2, let's something. So I hope y'all come. This is like sexy fun. It's informative. And it's interactive. It's a workshop like no other. It's the ultimate ladies' night. We are talking about sex because we are, and human sexual behavior. We are all sexual beings. There is no more taboo. There's no more, I'm not talking about that. Accepting bad sex, not being confident within yourself. We are gonna dismiss all of those and break through these barriers. So I hope y'all come and join me. It's gonna be lots of fun, and I hope to see y'all there. Peace.